Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I am Theo. So leo tuko na wenzangu hapa, si wenzangu sana vile because wao wamejenga kuniliko. So bro, utuambie tu jina alafu kazi unafanya.
Kikosi kiko mbele hapa ni Cobra squad. Sisi ni wakaaji wa hapa Nakuru. Tunafanya VIP security, VVIP na event security yote tunafanya. Ukitutaka unaweza tupata Facebook, Cobra squad, Instagram same Cobra squad. Lakini sisi Nakuru tunajulikana sana, sisi ni wakaaji wa hapa.
Okay, nyinyi ni wakaaji wa hapa. So mostly ni VIP nini peke yake?
VIP na VVIP. Paka tuko na event security. We have dogs for security, crowd control. Hiyo yote tunaoffer event security. We have our weapons, we use dogs.
Na msee mwenye anataka kuingia kwa hiyo kuingia kwa join ataingiaje? Ana apply aje?
Mwenye anataka kutujoin, tuko na form. Tunataka tujue kama ni serious member, tuko na requirements. Requirements ku recruit, lazima ununue uniform yenye tuko nazo. Ukinunua uniform, tunajua mahali unakaa. Details zako zote tunachukua, tujue ni mtu aina gani, hata good conduct. Yote tunakuitisha. Tujue wewe ndio tuweze kutrace in case of damage ama mambo ikienda rongo tunaweza kupata wapi.
Okay. Sawa. So acha niongee na huyu ndugu pia bro, jina.
Okay, my name is Rogers Brandon. I'm one of Cobra's member. Yeah.
So Cobra member, what motivated you to join the Cobra squad?
Okay, this is a group where we sit down. Okay, we sit down as brothers. Because we wanted to form something that we can earn living from. So it's a joint head talk, something like that. Yeah.
Okay. So does it mean you are the founders?
Yeah, we are the founders.
That's nice. So does those people who are still struggling, they want to do something, what's your advice to them to start something at least?
Okay, with life there's nothing like reverse gear. It's all about you just have to push it towards. You just keep on moving. If at all you want to start something, then don't think twice. Just go. Go towards whichever thing you want to do, and make it possible.
Okay. Yeah. So suppose this is a very terrible job or a very sensitive job, and it's very risky as I understand. What are some of the challenges? Ama inakuaje muweze kuzuia wewe mtu?
Okay, for you to control a crowd or to control a mad person or to control a harm person, it's all about you. You just have to, okay, if at all you want to join this group, you just have to pass through training, and a serious training for you to know how to search, to do searching, to do and other things, like, okay, for you to do with the checkup, things like that. That's why we have got sniffing dogs and other materials we are using to maintain security, to maintain our client in a good position, like there's no harm, something like that.
Jina tu. Jina?
Kwa majina naitwa Chris. Chris.
Jina?
Naitwa Captain Pat. Yeah.
So kuna challenges zingine, are there any other challenges that you are facing in this team?
Okay, it's a new thing. It's a new beginning. So we just have to have this what we call a capital challenge. Okay, we are not financially stable, so somehow we are shaking, or we are still here and there shaking for support, something like that. So whichever support might come, we'll just appreciate something like that.
Okay, can you give your contacts if somebody wants to contact you?
Yes, we'll contact you.
Share it in the Love of Theo channel.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes.
Okay, our business number 001 11 26 1979.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We have been with the Cobra squad here, and all the time, Theo, Love of Theo is the way.